Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I said good evening.
Good evening.
Only one person is sleeping. Huh? Okay. So first let me introduce myself. I am Vishal Vashne, alias P2. I have completed chemical engineering in 2008 in first attempt. And I have been in this industry since last 7 years. But when I look at myself and when I look for my technical skills, I am still feel like a fresher. I am 27 years old as per my record. But my family is saying I am 28 years old as per their record. And they have only one document in their support, that is my Kundali. What they are saying that the date of birth which is mentioned on the Kundali is something like that. This is 1, this is 9, this is 8. And this is the controversial digit. Actually, what they are saying that Pandit has written these 3 digits in Hindi and this one is in English. As per Hindi, this is 7. As per Hindi, this is 7, but as per English, this is 6. But they are saying, no, it's 6. So this is the problem. I am fighting this case against my family in my family court. Let's see what will happen, but as of now, you can consider me as a guy who is 27 years old. So I have 7 years of experience in chemical engineering field. And I have been in Lummus since last 4 years. I joined Lummus as a process engineer 2, P2. And still I am holding the same designation. A few months back, I got my appraisal letter. Though hike was good, but I was not promoted. Though I was not upset, because that was something which was expected. I did not want to approach my boss. But you know, when something like this happens, you have to pretend in such a way that you are upset. So I decided to talk to my boss. So I went to meet him. When I went to meet him, my shirt was not tucked in, my hairs were not combed, my shoes were dirty, and I have blown up my beard. Just to give him an impression that I was upset. We started our conversation. He started telling me why I was not promoted. He told me many things, that I made many mistakes, I missed many deadlines. An interesting fact is that I agreed on most of the points. I knew I missed many deadlines, I made many mistakes. And after a discussion of 10 minutes, he said, Vishal, you tell me why you should have been promoted. By that time, I had realized that it would be futile to talk anything on technical front. So I decided to talk something else in my support. I said, sir, just because of this promotion, I am not able to get married. He was shocked to hear that. How's your marriage related to your promotion? I said, sir, I am a chemical engineer. And you know, girls do not like chemical engineers. First they compare us with a guy who they used to see in their chemistry lab, who used to wear white apron and spend whole day in a lab doing nothing fruitful. He said, no, things are not like that. Then I asked, when did you get married? He said, 10 years back. I said, sir, that was, at that time, things were different. The girls' expectations were different, but now their expectations are entirely different. They expect from their husband to have a good salary. They want him to be in a good company, and last but not least, they want him to be on a good position. But he said, no, things are not like that. So I said, sir, have you ever made a profile on matrimonial site? He said, no. Then I said, sir, just try. Try and make profile on matrimonial site. And I can bet you would not get even one proposal in a month. If you get one proposal in a month, then I will leave this company, or else you have to promote me. He said, after thinking for 1 or 2 minutes, he said, no. I said, I knew this. You are not going to accept my challenge. But sir, that was one of the examples where I was humiliated. There are many more. Just because of this designation, my flatmates have changed my name from Vishal to Pitu. Earlier they used to come, hey Vishal, come here. Now they have changed, hey Pitu, come here. My juniors who joined Lamas as a graduate engineer training, they used to call me, hey Vishal sir is coming. Now they got, hey Pitu is coming. And even recently I visited my home, where I got to know that all the people who work in my restaurant got promoted twice in a span of 4 years. But I did not get even one promotion in 4 years. And you won't believe. After that, there was a silence in the room, and then I came out from his cabin. Because by that time I got to know that nothing is going to happen. After that, I came out from his cabin, and you won't believe. After 3 days, I got a call from my niece. She is just 3 years old. She called me and said, Chachu. I said, yes, beta. You know Dadu's new movie is coming. Actually, she calls Amitabh Bachchan as a Dadu. In our family, everyone is movie freak. We do not teach our kids A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Instead, we teach them A for Amitabh Bachchan, B for Bipasha Basu, and C for Chitrangada Singh. And you won't believe that list is being updated regularly. In our time, it used to be A for Ashok Kumar, B for Bhagyashri, and C for someone else. Now replaced by Amitabh Bachchan, and this Bipasha Basu, and this Chitrangada Singh. And like as it used to be as for Sunny Deol, now it is going to be replaced by Shraddha Kapoor, and in next update it would be replaced by Sunny Deol. In next update, which is going to come in July, when their schools will be open. So come to the point, she called me and said, you know Chacha, Dadu's new movie is coming. And I asked, who else in that movie? She said, Chachi is also there. She believes Deepu is my girlfriend. Deepika Padukone. So she said, you know, Chachi is also there. I said, okay. So what is the name of that movie? She said, it's P2. I was shocked to hear that. How can someone make movie on my designation? I was shocked for a moment. Then I said, better there might be some confusion. You know, the movie's name would be different. She said, no, Chachu, it's P2. You know, Mama is teaching me about this new movies which is going to release in 2015. And P2 is my project of the month. I was shocked. No, I said, there might be some confusion. She said, no, if you won't believe on my words, you can talk to Mama. Okay. And then she handed over phone to my sister-in-law. And I asked her that there's a new movie which is called P2 is going to release. She said, no, yeah, it's not P2, it's Piku. So this is how that designation, my designation is haunting me. So now I need your help. I need your help because I have tried my best. They are not going to promote me. I need your help. Please do something for me. You can sign a petition on change.org, or you can send them SMS, you can WhatsApp them, or you can send them message, or if you want, you tomorrow or day after tomorrow, you can decide. You can come in black clothes and then show your protest. There are many more ways to report your protest. And I think one HR person is there.
You gone.
सुन रही हो ना आप बोल रहा हूँ. So please, it is humble request to everyone. Please help me. Please help me. Thank you.